So, in this video, we will learn about measuring length in inches because this is the most important thing for creating fashion figure, fashion illustrations, and basic body clock. So, let's start it. Now we will understand what these lines says. Okay, so start from the zero. This let's suppose this point is 0 and this line is here. This line and this line, they are same in the length. Why they are same in the length? Because they shows the distance, and this distance is 1 inches. The distance between them is 1 inches, and the midpoint, which is shorter in the length of the two, shows that it is half inches. Okay, here is half inches and here is 1 inches. It shows like this. These lines shows to us and tells us that here is the half inches and here is 1 inches. Again, that third point here, shorter line. Okay, this shows that it is 1.5 inches. Then this point tells us 2 inches. But what about those points? The midpoint between the two, the midpoint between them. Okay, the midpoint between them and the midpoint between them. They also tells something that what they are. Basically, the line is half inches. Okay. Now we will see what is that line which divides them equally. What it is 1/4. So the midpoint between 0 and half inches is 1/4 inches. Now I'm going to take the another half part of 1 inch line, which is I drawn 0 to half inches in first line, and in the second I will draw half inches from half inches to 1 inches line, and we will see what is between. The midpoint is 3/4 inches. Now what we will do, we will make a line to understand better. This is 0 and this point is 1/4 inches. 1 2 3 4 blocks. After four blocks, what comes? 1/4 inches. Then after 4 blocks, what comes? Half inches. And that midline shows that it is half inches, and 3/4 inches and 1 inches. Let's draw a line again and yes, understand more deeply. 0, half inches, 1 inches, and 1.5 inches. All these shorter lines tells us that there is half inches, and the midline between the 0 and half inches shows that it is 1/4 inches. Okay, the distance between 0 and 1/4 inches is 1/4 inches. The next one is 3/4 inches, the midpoint between half inches and 1 inches. Okay, so I hope you understand this, and yes, the same thing goes with every number, and with the help of this you can measure the length of the basic body clock, in which it is really helpful. So yes, learn it and then move on the basic body clock, because it will save you a lot much time as well. And yes, in the next video we will explain how to make basic body clock with flashing.